literally just got back from work 5 minutes ago. I gotta show this to you guys. I'm super excited and pumped. Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for tuning in RCODX DIECAST Domination. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a blessed and amazing day. So initially when Hot Wheels started releasing Fast and Furious sets, these were guys in high demand. And when you go in stores to buy, the sets yourself, you wouldn't find anything because all the main cars were literally taken off from the shelf. So having this box is actually a blessing. Either you buy the whole thing or either you don't buy nothing. The Ford SVT Lightning, we have the Volkswagen Jetta MK3, Nissan Maxima, Skyline 33, and Silvia S14. Now, I already have 3 different sets from Hot Wheels that are related to Fast and Furious. And they all have different castings, meaning they have different wheels, different set of rims, stuff like that. But when it comes to this particular set, you guys would know why this is incredibly popular. First thing first, guys, from the movie Fast and Furious, you guys might know it, you guys might not, but the scene where they go and buy the custom parts for the Supra, when they're coming back, these cars are, they're in haul, they're pretty much queued together, and they're going back to, Dominic's garage, and they're gonna replace the parts and soup the MK4. So when it comes to these cars, guys, huge part of my life, because the memory that's attached to these cars, it's just on another level. I know you guys get to see a lot of the Fast and Furious content on this channel, and you always will, because we love Fast and Furious series completely, guys, to my DNA. All about it, guys. I live it 24/7. Without further ado, I hope you enjoyed today's session and this amazing unboxing. Thank you so much for tuning in my channel, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Ooh, we also have this amazing model from Time Micro. It's a 1/64 scale Toyota Supra from the Fast and Furious, as you guys already know. And this one's waiting. This one's waiting for its friends to come out of the box. We also have the legendary Nissan Skyline R34 from Too Fast, Too Furious. And this is also from Time Micro. And amazing details when it comes to finishing, paint, and also the accessories that are attached to this particular model. Have a look at that split spoiler, guys. Split spoiler in a 1/64 die-cast model. Next level stuff. Alrighty.